Assalamu alaikum friends. How to make Ghanaian corned beef jollof rice. Yes. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make authentic Ghanaian corned beef jollof rice. So to start, I grilled all my vegetables in my air fryer. I used some fresh tomatoes, some onions, some bell peppers, some green herbs, which was some cilantro and some parsley. I went ahead to add some garlic and ginger. I added all the aromatics as well. Then I added everything into my air fryer to grill. So with this, if you don't have the air fryer, you can go ahead to use an oven to achieve the same process. I purchased jollof rice with Jamaican steamed cabbage and some chicken breast, which I'm gonna show everything in this video, with the exception of the Jamaican steamed cabbage. I've already uploaded that video, so I'm gonna link it up here if you want to check it out. So with the stew, after I grilled everything, I started with my stew base, which I had some oil, some onion fry until it was translucent. Then I went ahead to add my tomato puree and my green seasoning. Fry everything until oil start to set on top. Then I blended all my tomatoes that I showed earlier, then add everything together. I already have a step-by-step on how I make jollof rice, like with two different recipes if you want to check that out. Yeah, so over here, when after the stew was done, I went ahead to add my rice, fry the rice in the stew until it was toasty. Then I went ahead to add some water, cover it up, then give it 5 to 10 minutes. Then I came in to check up on it before I added my corned beef. After adding the corned beef, I cover everything to let it cook. Then over here, I just came up to check up on it. This jollof rice was very flavorful, very delicious, and was very tasty. Yes. I hope each and every one of you is doing well. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really do appreciate each and everyone taking the time to watch. So I ended up changing the pan because and whilst that was doing, I went ahead to start with my chicken. But before starting with it, I already marinated my chicken. So over here, I had my chicken breasts that I had onion and garlic powder. I added some paprika, some chicken seasoning. Then I added my fresh herbs, which was the parsley and the cilantro. I added some oregano. And I'm gonna leave all the ingredients down below if you want to check it out. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, I ended up changing the pan that I was cooking the jollof rice in. So over here, I was just checking it out to see how it's doing, and look at the color. Like this jollof was very delicious. Yeah, if you've been watching me till now, kindly subscribe to your girl and share this video to each and everyone that you think is going to be helpful to. And yeah, I was checking the rice periodically to make sure it wasn't burning. And with the chicken, oh my god, this chicken was very moist and very tasty after browning it. So the purpose of using the pan over here is I was just searing both sides before I'll cook it in my air fryer. Yes, so I'll make sure I sear all the chicken, which is basically like browning each side, yeah, before I will go ahead to put it in my air fryer. So over here I came back to check up on my chicken and it was looking good. So So I went ahead to turn it or flip it to the other side and continue cooking it. As I mentioned earlier, I just wanted to sear both sides, and I transferred everything into my air fryer to continue with the cooking process. This chicken turned out to be very juicy and very tasty. Yeah. So then over here, as you can see, jollof is ready. Yep. I hope you try this video, and I really hope you enjoy watching my videos. If you have any comments or any suggestion, leave it down below, or comment if you've already tried any of my recipe, or if you have any recipe in mind you want me to try for you guys. Yeah. Look at this jollof rice, and of course kanzu lava, so yes, I was just making sure and checking and see if I have some kanzu. Yeah, and look at the corned beef in the jollof rice. Like, look at that. I love it. I enjoy this rice so much. As I said earlier, I have like 2 jollof rice recipes. If you want to watch that one, I'm gonna leave that up here too, and I'm gonna leave some Ghanaian recipes as well. And do not forget, I have some vlogs as well, even though it's not much, but I do. And over here it's time for me to save and enjoy. So thank you so much. Until my next one, stay safe and be blessed. And yeah, I'm definitely gonna leave this steamed cabbage recipe for you guys to check it out. Bye.